Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Ghofran. I am happy you are here today. This is an A1 English listening practice lesson. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today's topic is my daily routine. Every day is a new opportunity to learn something new. My day usually starts early in the morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is make my bed. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed and go to the kitchen. I usually have a simple breakfast. I like eating eggs, cheese, fresh bread, tomatoes, and cucumbers. I also drink a cup of tea. After breakfast, I spend time studying English. I like learning new words and listening to short English lessons. I think practicing every day is the best way to improve. In the afternoon, I do my homework and help my family at home. Sometimes I clean my room, sometimes I water the plants, sometimes I help prepare lunch. I enjoy doing small things because they make my day better. In the evening, I like going for a short walk. Fresh air helps me relax. When I come home, I usually have dinner with my family. We sit together, enjoy our meal, and talk about our day. I think family time is very important. After dinner, I like reading a few pages from a book or watching a short English video. Listening to English every day helps me understand more and learn new expressions. Before I go to bed, I prepare for the next day. I put my books and other things in the right place. Then I brush my teeth again and say goodnight to my family. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Getting enough sleep helps me feel fresh and ready for a new day. I know that every day is different. Sometimes I am busy, sometimes I have more free time, but I always try to do something useful every day. Small habits can make a big difference. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this English listening practice. Now, I have a question for you. What is your daily routine? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Ghofran, and join me for more easy English listening lessons. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.